Hello.
Hello. Hi. Good morning, Asilva.
Yeah, hi, good morning. Sorry, good evening, Ravi.
Yeah, yeah.
Or good.
You are from US only, right?
Yeah, yeah, we are from US. How about you?
Yeah, I'm from India.
Yeah, from okay. Yeah, so yeah, so good afternoon or good evening.
Yeah, yeah. Fine. So, any doubts like while installing and all? Did you get any doubts or did you get
Mm,
the recordings and all? Did you ask them?
mm, no, we asked them, but we did not get any recordings. Uh, uh, uh,
I think Pooja can help. Pooja, can you hear us?
Yes,
Yeah, Pooja. So you also got the recordings from Pawan, right?
yes,
Yeah, so you have some common WhatsApp groups. So can you please help Asirvad with Pawan's contact numbers so that he can also approach him and get the recordings and all?
okay.
yeah, yeah, that would be so nice of you, Pooja. Actually, we are looking for the recordings, but we don't have. And Ravi,
I will
I
message
should.
you for now only.
Yeah, uh, Ravi, actually, I'm trying to share my screen. I have
Yeah,
one
yeah.
doubt, yeah. Are you able to see my screen?
Mhm.
Yeah,
Mhm.
actually, I installed the Oracle SQL developer, which you showed me. So
Mhm.
which we have been using. So if I give HR, HR, then HR, when I'm trying to
Test.
test, using failure test one.
So the whichever link you have followed, YouTube link. So in that, what it was saying.
They are actually they install the database and using they're trying to access information online. Like basically they created an account in Oracle itself. The Oracle like the link, and from the Oracle through the link they're trying to access the Oracle site itself. Then they haven't installed they were not using the local one. So basically
So
that's what.
you can use those credentials only, right? Whatever was shown in YouTube.
Okay,
The
that I
only
can.
thing you have to create the tables of your own. That's the only thing. See,
Okay.
because like I don't know like from which
Mm.
source you have downloaded and all. Because for me, like some vendor did it. So
Okay.
again, like from the source which you are downloading, right?
Yeah,
You have to follow their credentials.
yeah, that's true. Okay, maybe I'll follow that and try
It
to
won't
do that.
work for Scott also. I'm sure. For
Okay, let's.
Scott, password will be Tiger.
Scott, all small?
I'm not sure. I think
Sure.
it will be small. Won't
Okay,
work for sure. It's not working for HR.
okay, then that's fine. Okay, maybe I'll try to play around that link and see if.
Yeah, yeah, the same thing, whatever they have done, right? The same thing you do. If you are not getting that, there are other links also. You check in YouTube and download it because I think Nikita and Pooja also tried and they are able to do that.
We
So
tried
Pooja,
my own name and Scott that place. Uh,
okay, she had tried
Username
with.
default to system and password I given. That's it. It came for me.
Okay, so what information here did you put?
Here Scott place my name given.
Okay,
Can
okay,
put
so test.
Anirban or whatever. Yeah, test
Okay,
whatever.
I just give test.
Username
Okay,
default system
okay,
taken
default system.
and password given.
Sorry, username, what is that?
Default system
Default.
system.
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 Okay, system.
And
Password?
whatever you want to, that password.
Any password.
Oh, then
Password,
it's
we can give
So
any password.
you
okay.
given that before they ask, right?
Okay, okay. Then I'll do the research again. Maybe no.
Here also we need to change the details.
Do you need to change anything on the
Host
We
name,
did
port,
not.
side.
We did not change anything.
okay. Maybe
You try again.
yeah, I'll try that. Maybe
Uh, let's do like this, Asirvad. You try. If you are not successful, then
mhm.
maybe like on Saturday class,
Mhm.
I'll just try to install and all from your system.
Yeah, sure.
Okay,
That will be.
I'll see some YouTube video and I'll try to do it.
Yeah,
Okay,
sure. Okay.
like but
Yeah.
but try from yourself, your side, because see again for installation and all, if we waste time, then it will be like
Mm,
good topics we will be missing. So
yeah, that's
my
true.
motive is like, because this is not useful for your real time in future. This is just for your practicing. No one will ask you to install Oracle or Informatica. Okay. So, but
Yeah,
at
yeah,
the
that's
same point of time, I don't want you people to, just because you're not able to install it, so you're not able to practice. So meanwhile, you can do Asirvad at least for till it doesn't get installed. You can check online. Online, you can execute some of the things. So there you
yeah,
can
sure.
try.
Yeah, sure.
Pooja has given something, some message.
Okay, let me check.
What is that, Pooja?
For video recordings.
Oh,
Okay, okay, okay. Hi, Nikita.
Hello, sir.
Did you get the recordings from Pavan or someone else?
No,
Okay.
I'll ask him today.
Yeah, yeah. Pooja pinged something in chat, so I think those are the contact number for the
so
recordings.
I'm not.
yes,
But this is just the name, right?
yeah, this is just the name of the institute.
That is in YouTube. You type that one, it will get recordings.
Oh,
Okay,
oh.
You try. In YouTube.
you can try then. Okay. Let me see. Is it really there? Tell me if you can see my screen. We
Yes,
won't
we
waste
can.
much time, like 2-3 minutes. Let us see, like in YouTube, really, it's there.
Here is
Oh,
there.
it's there. It's there. Yeah. Only two classes are there, or
Before also it will show. Four
okay.
more is there here.
Okay, I think we need to go to some playlist.
Yeah.
Ah, here it is.
Take this one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I think this is. I'm sharing this link. So please, Asirvad and the other person new, Priyanka. Please try these things. Check these videos. Okay.
Okay. Yeah,
So
sure.
you will get a good idea. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Saturday again, doubt clearing classes are there, right? So you can ask. Yeah, and Sriyanka, you don't have to worry. I'm teaching from very base level. If you go through my recordings and all, whatever is there in YouTube, you will surely get those.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. Sorry, I was talking in mute. So we have completed last in the previous class aggregate functions, and also like the order, like how we should execute. First will be coming select, then from, then where, then group by, then your having clause. So everyone is clear on that, or any doubts? Hello.
No, sir.
We are clear.
Think one person, someone got. Okay. Let us see order by. I have not explained, right? So let us see order by clause, how it works. So these are the columns which we are using in employee table. Okay. So now I want, see if you see this, I want to arrange based on some column values I want to arrange. Now it is based on the employee ID by default. Okay, because the employee ID is primary key in that table. So by default, on that order it is taking. And no, I think like how we have inserted data and all, even employee ID by default also it is not taking. If you see initially 145 and all there, then again 100 is coming. Okay, so let us take from employee ID only, order by employee ID. Okay. Yeah, let me run again without using order by employee ID. See, here it is, still here it is fine. After 200, 6 again 100 is coming, right? So it is not correctly ordered. So now if I run this, see all the 100 records are coming together, 101. So now it is ordered. Now you won't see like after 206 there is no record. Okay. So sometimes if we want to organize our data, we use order by. Okay. So again, while ordering the data, there is two things. One is descending order or ascending order. So ascending order means the lowest will come first, then the second lowest, third lowest, fourth lowest, like that. It goes on, and the highest value will be in bottom. Okay. So vice versa happens for descending order. So by default, if you don't give anything, Oracle will take as an ascending order. Okay. So if I put DESC, this means descending. See, now 206 is coming first, and ASC ascending is for ascending, but it doesn't matter. You don't have to put, even if you don't put ascending and you run, also it will be coming same. But just to make you understand, I have written ascending. So see here again, it is coming. If you remove ascending, also same output you will get, because by default Oracle's behavior is to give ascending first. Okay, the lowest record will be the first record. Okay, is it clear about order by clause?
Yes, sir.
So we have covered all the clauses. Here I have not added order by, so just you can add it of your own. Where clause, having clause, from clause, group by, and order by, everything is done. So next is like operators. This is very important. So first of all, let us know what is means what are operator means, what is the meaning of operators. Okay, why we use operators. See here, operators are there. You can see 4 different kinds of operators are there. Okay, so what does operator here in Oracle? Operators means we are using set operators. Okay, so what does set operator means? If you are writing, if you want to club 2 or more queries, for example, like I am having like 2 different queries, I want to add them and get an output out of it. Okay, I don't want to join 2 tables, I want to join 2 queries. Please understand the difference between joining 2 tables and joining 2 queries. A query can have 10 tables also. You can join them. Another query can have more, any number of tables within it. Okay. So you are doing set operation and you are getting the combined output. Okay. So basically there are 4 types of set operators. One is your union, second is union all, third is intersect, and fourth is minus. So these are the things which we will be using in our real time. Okay, so what does union do? See, this is the syntax. Select expression 1, expression 2 and all means your column names. Okay, so the column names from whatever the table 1, where you can give some conditions. Okay, I told you, right, filter conditions you can give, then union, select again column names from table where conditions. Okay, so here what you have to take here is you have to be very particular is whenever you are giving 2 different here, you are using set operator, right? So this query and this query, the corresponding columns should have same data type. Okay, so it doesn't it's not mandatory that this and this column name should be same. This can be, for example, employee ID, this can be customer ID. So as you have seen some example, employee ID is also numerical data type, and your customer ID is also numerical data type, so there won't be any issue. Okay, then you can do that. So corresponding again column 2 and column 2 here and column 2 here, data type should match, and so on. Even if there is a single mismatch, this query will fail. Or else, for example, if you have kept here 9 columns and you have kept here 7 columns, then also it will fail. Same number of columns, and all the corresponding columns should be having same data type. Is it clear or not, the limitations of set operation? Or
Yeah.
you want me to repeat? Hello?
Yes, sir, it is clear.
Okay, fine. For others also clear, right?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what does union do is, union will add up all the records. Okay. And some duplicate records are there, for example. Okay. So it won't add up the duplicate records. For example, in table 1, not table 1, this first query is giving you 10 records. Second query is giving you some 12 records. Okay. So 6 records here and here are same. Okay. So normally, if by simple mathematics, if I add 10 plus 12, how much it will be? 22, right? So since you are using union operator, out of the common 6 records, only one set of record will be there, other set won't be there, the duplicates won't be there. So instead of 22 records, you will be getting 16 records. Is it clear or not about union operation?
Give just unique records, right?
Yes, it will give unique records. So if whatever duplicates are there, so it will eliminate the duplicate. Okay.
Okay.
So it is not deleting the duplicate. Always remember, whenever we are doing a select operation, we are not deleting anything. We are just displaying. Okay.
But what
So
about the other columns? They are not they are not similar. They are not duplicated. Then
then it won't be a thing. I'm not saying duplicate single value. Whole record is duplicate.
okay, got it.
See, I'll show you. See this record and see this record. Tell me, is it completely duplicate or not?
Yeah, it is same.
Completely same, right?
Completely same. Yeah.
So while doing union, if this is coming from second query, this is coming for first query, for example, only one will be there, two won't be there. Okay. But the scenario which you told, for example, every columns are same. Just one small thing is different. For example, here salary, instead of 24,000, it is 24,500. Then also it won't be means
It will show up.
removed.
Yeah. Okay.
It will be there. Okay. But all the column data is same, then it will get eliminated, means removed. Okay. So is it clear about union? What is union operation?
Yes, sir.
yes.
Yeah, it is very important because in Informatica, different transformations, what we call in Informatica, there is one transformation also, union transformation. So if you understand this, you will understand it in Informatica. That's why I'm saying. So this is union. Again, the second thing, here example is there. Don't know whether the data. Anyways, I will show you showing the real-time example, but let us first complete it. What these four are first, then one by one I will show you in real time. Okay.
I have a question, Ravi. Like,
Yeah.
the union will work only the way columns are like columns are present in the select statement.
Your
Both
voice
the
is very much breaking up.
yeah, yeah. Is it clear now?
Yeah, it is clear. Yeah.
Yeah. My question is, when we put this union operator into select statement, in both the select statement, the column data type should be same, right? Like the order we follow, like select column one, column two,
First
then
column and
Mhm.
corresponding first column in the second query data type should be same. Second
Okay,
column and corresponding second column in the second query should be same.
okay,
So it's not like all the columns should have same data type. I'm saying only the corresponding column should be having
column.
same data type.
Okay, yeah. So no, the output would be like column one plus column two. Like suppose in the first select statement, three columns are there. In the second select statement also, it's supposed to be the same number of column, right? Three. It should not
Correct,
be two
correct.
or four, right? So
It will fail if you put 2 or 4.
sorry.
It
Okay,
will fail if we put 2 or 4. It should
okay.
be always like 3 is there, then bottom one also should be having 3 only.
Three. So the results will have six column.
No, the result will have 3 column.
Three column, but even if the data type are same, but values are different. So basically, it's merging data from second table into first table, right? Thinking like the column name is same.
Yeah, you can say either way also. It is merging from first table to second table. Whatever you can say, it's same, right?
Okay. Yeah. No, I'm thinking about since the column name different, it is only counting the data type. So the output will have what type of column? Like when we'll see the result, the output
Okay,
would,
column name. Ah,
yeah, column
okay.
name.
Got
That
you,
is
got
from
you. The
table
first
one or
one,
that.
first one, first
Yeah,
one.
so it's merging second two into first. Okay, got it, sir.
Yeah, yeah. So while we do real time, that's what I'm saying. You will be getting 100% idea. So now I want you to understand at least, I mean, what is the concept? Okay, are you
Okay,
clear with the concept?
yeah, yeah, we are clear.
So anyone else has any question on union transformation?
No.
Okay, then let's go with union all. So union all also does the same functionality. Only difference is it will keep the duplicate also. Okay, the same example what I told, 10 records here, 12 records here, 6 matching records are there. So we were getting 16 in first case. Okay, now in union all we will be getting all 22. Is it clear? And other conditions, whatever is there for union, it will be there for all the things. Means what I told, adjacent data type should be same. Okay, same number of columns should be there. Same condition is applicable for all the set operators, union, union all, intersect, minus. Okay,
Okay.
is it clear about union all? If someone asks you difference, what is difference between union and union all, will you be able to answer? Hello.
Yeah, yes, yes.
Yeah. Another a small tip I want to give for interview. Whenever you are answering, try to relate them with real-time example. Like I told you, right? 10 records are there, 12 records are there, 6 records are common in both. So the output will be 16 for your union and 22 for union all. So if you explain like this, sometimes what happens, I'm trying to interviewer is taking lot of interviews. You won't be the only candidate. Okay, even I have taken on weekends, they gave me like 10 or 12 profiles. Just think like from 9 o'clock I have connected, I have just had breakfast, and till 5 o'clock I am doing interviews. In between, just half an hour lunch break. So how much, like, continuously I need to talk and continuously I need to do. So how much hectic it will be for interviewer. Okay, you are as a candidate, you are just attending for half an hour, but we are there for 7-8 hours. Okay, so if you explain clearly, right, then it will be very easy for your selection. Okay, even if you give 1 or 2 wrong answers, right, they won't remember about the negative thing, they will try to remember about positive thing, until unless it's like a very very, I mean, so less posts are there and they have to filter out many candidates, only one candidate they can take out of 20 candidates or whatever, then it's different scenario. But normally, so that is the thing, that is a tip I can give you while giving answers. Okay. So someone was asking about union on.
Union on again repeat. I didn't.
Okay. So union all will be having all the same conditions as was there in union. Same adjacent column data type should be same. Then also your number of columns should be same. Okay. And as Anirban told, Ashirwad told, so the first table columns, whatever is there, so that will be viewed. This 3 or 4 concepts, whatever is there, it is same for all the operators. Okay. Now, what is difference between union and union all is, in union, you will get only the unique records between the two queries. Okay. In union all, you will be getting all the records. You will be also having the duplicates. They won't eliminate the duplicates. Okay. So now based on your requirement, you will either use union or union all. Okay. Then is it clear, Pooja?
Yes.
So the next is your after union all, next is intersect. Okay. Intersect operator. So if you try to compare this, okay, same rules, everything will be there. So here what is the concept is, like, only the matching records you will be getting. Okay. So the same example I'll be repeating: 10 records in table 1, 12 records in table 2. Okay, 6 are matching records in both the table. So what we'll do is, we'll be getting only 6 records, whatever the matching records. We won't get other 16 records. Okay. Is it clear or not? Please ask question if you are not okay with it. Shall I repeat again?
Yes, sir.
So here we are having first table, first query we are having 10 records. Second query we are having 12 records. There are 6 records which are common in both the thing. Okay. So rest 4 records are different. Here rest 6 records are different. Okay. So only the 6 matching records we will be getting, that to one copy, not like 12 records you'll be getting something like that. Okay. Rest 16 are not there. The unmatched records, whatever is there, right? That is not there. And even the duplicate records is also not there. Only one copy of the matching records will be there. Is it clear or not?
Okay.
Any doubts?
No.
Anyways, I will show you in real time also. Just want to make you understand first, then we'll jump into that. So if it is clear, I'll go to the next operator.
Yes.
Okay. So next is minus operator. Here, I think Venn diagram is also there. Let me see for others also if Venn diagram is there. Okay, it's not given. So Venn diagram, if they give, right, it is very easy for students to understand. Okay. So here, if you see this table A and table B, so table A minus table B, if you are doing, so only the records which are not in table B, but they are in table A, those records you will be getting. By seeing this Venn diagram, you might have got the idea. Okay. So let us take the same example. 10 records here, 12 records here. So in table A, some 4 records are there which is not matching, in table B. Okay, so those 4 records only you will be getting. You won't be getting those 6 records, and you won't be getting any record from table B. Okay, you will be getting only record from table A, but in that also you will, some records will be deducted. If any matching records are there, those records will be deducted. Okay, you can think in this way. There are total 10 records in table A. So normally at max, when we do table A minus table B, you can get at max 10 records if there is no match. But if there is some match, for example, 6 records are matching, means those 6 records got eliminated from table A. Now only 4 are left. Okay, is it clear or not?
Yeah, it is clear.
Okay, so now let us try this operators. Let us take 2 tables having almost same kind of structure and data. Let me see. EMP1. Okay. So EMP1 and EMP, we can try union on this. Okay. Let us not take all the columns. I'm taking only few columns. If you want, you can take all the columns also, but it will be same. So here, since it is completely identical table, so the column names are also same, but it is not mandatory that column names should be same. So let me take some table where column names are not same. That will be giving a better idea for you.
Can you take first name and string data types also?
Yeah, I will take. Let me see department table, what columns it is having. Employee ID, salary, department name. Okay, employee ID is there also, salary is there. Department name is not here, I think so. Department ID is there. So instead of department name, we can take there as job ID. Okay. Okay. So let us do that. Employee ID, salary. Job ID. First, let me see here the names. So here it is EMP ID. You wanted one string also, right? So I have kept department name also. So it is having a string value. Okay.
Okay.
So before doing that, let us do one thing. Let us check the count of this. Okay.
But a job ID is string or what? Like
Job ID is string varchar. String means in Oracle it will be varchar.
varchar, right?
Yeah. You can see here. There is the EMP table. So here you can see the data type. Job ID is varchar. So here department name is also same varchar only. Okay.
Mm.
So this is the thing. So let me first, I have run only this one. So let me check the number of records there. Okay. So another thing I will tell you, see here 424 records are there. But if you see like every record is getting repeated, four means total 4 records, similar kind of records you'll be getting. Okay. So
Okay.
like actually if you divide 424 by 4, so actually 106 records are there.
Right.
Okay. So rest 318 are duplicates only. Okay. So let me see here. How many are there? 5. Okay. So can anyone guess a wild guess like how many records you will be getting? Here it is 424. Here it is 5.
111 maybe.
111.
Because
111. Okay, fine. You? Anyone else?
429.
How come? Union,
Okay,
I told you, right? The duplicates will get eliminated. This is not union all.
then 111.
19.
111.
111. May I know the logic behind why you are thinking 111?
Because it will eliminate the duplicate, right? So 106, 106 would be the unique record on the table 1, and 5 it was going to add.
Okay, so that is rest are also saying the same, right? 300, 111. Okay.
Hmm.
So is it clear now what we have discussed there about union transformation? And I think Ashirwad, it is clear for you also about the column names.
Yeah. That's why actually I was confusing, like if it is what doubt I had, like if it's merging.
Yeah, I got your doubt.
Yeah.
That's why I told you, right? The first table
Yeah.
name, whatever column names are there, that you will be getting. So every time, whatever thing I will explain you, I will first explain you on a theoretical basis so that you get the concept first. Okay. If I directly run that query here, you would have never understood how you are getting it. Okay. While telling you the theory, you will get the concept. While applying it, then you will know exactly how the output is coming. If I directly tell, okay, union transformation is this, and I run this query, you will never understand it. Okay. That's why you should try to understand the concept first, then you should implement. Don't directly implement without understanding the concept. Is it clear?
It's 28. Yeah.
So now let us do for union on. And another thing is if you want to add something, display something, but you don't want to run it like at least add like 2 hyphens. After that, you can put 3 hyphens also, 4 hyphens also. Minimum put 2 hyphens so that it doesn't disturb your query. Okay, just it is for display, but it won't be running. Okay, you can see here black color, here it is gray color, so it is not active.
So,
Yes.
I just want to see the table query to record in this output table. Can you please scroll up?
Didn't get you.
I just want to check the output table. So can you little bit scroll up this?
Okay, got you. This one, HR,
Okay.
IT.
Okay.
Total 5 records was there, I think so. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another one record will be there in somewhere middle somewhere. I don't know. Let me run this again. So 2 HR, 2 IT, 1 will be sales. Okay. The sales one is having 102. Check if you are having the sales or not. These are so identical that it's very difficult to figure out.
Yeah. Mm.
Sales is not coming. It is. Okay, we have run union all right. Let's go with union. HR, IT, this one sales, IT. 5 records are there. If some record was not there, you wouldn't have get 111 output, right? Yeah. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So let us go for union now. Now please tell me how many records will be there. It is pretty obvious, then also I'm asking.
Yeah, 429.
429.
429 this time.
So now it is clear, right?
Yes.
Intersect, how many records we will get? Can anyone guess?
Maybe 5 because
What about others? I'm asking you to guess because I want you to understand the concept. Okay, apply by yourself. Anyways, I am there to correct you. Don't feel shy like if I am telling wrong answer, what others will think or what Ravi will think. It's not like anything, nothing like that. You are first time you are learning some new thing. Okay.
Yeah, maybe 5. I did not see how many common records are there. Maybe 5.
Yeah. When you are saying 5, may I know like why 5? How you are telling 5?
Yeah. I'm not sure how many records are there. So I'm just going to the number of late data.
yeah.
That is
Yeah.
a table 2. So table 2, the
Table
second
2 is
table.
having 5 records. Table 1 is
Yeah.
having 424 records. That is same. Already we ran the query.
Yeah. I am assuming the 5 records from table 2 are also present in table 1. So that is a common record between two tables.
But you remember, right? I have taken job ID in table 1 and a department name in table 2. These are completely 2 different columns. Just because data type is matching, I have taken it. So when I have shown
Okay.
you that Have you seen the records? What are there in the first table and second table?
Yeah, then it will come 0.
In second table, you have records like sales, IT, HR. Okay. In first table, are you seeing
Oh,
No.
anything like that?
no. Then 0.
Yeah.
All the records are like something underscore something. In second table, there is not even underscore. We are not using.
Hmm.
See these 5 records.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Even if one column doesn't match, then also it won't be coming. So when I say intersect means the complete record should intersect, not a single, like employee ID in the way like what you people guessed is would have been working if, like for example, only employee ID, if it matches, if we get the record, then it's fine, then it would have worked. But intersect doesn't work like that. Complete record should match. Okay. So 0. Are you clear?
Yes.
So next was minus. Tell me, minus how many records? This will be very interesting.
So can you repeat the logic of minus one more time?
I will show you the Venn diagram. You will understand that.
Yeah, minus 424.
This is
Yeah.
Minus 424.
424.
minus
No,
4
no,
to 4.
no, just 424.
4 to 4
Okay.
records.
Yeah, 424 records.
What about others? Pooja, today you are very inactive. What happened? Still,
I feel it's 106 because no, I'm not getting any answer.
no. Tell your answer and tell your logic why you are thinking like that. It's who knows, you may be the only correct, you might be giving only correct answer, all are wrong. It might happen like that also. Who knows?
Because there are only 106 records which are unique, and in table 2 there are no no. Can you sir, can you please show me the diagram one more time?
You may be correct, Nikita.
Okay, I'm not able to explain my logic, but I think 106 is the answer, maybe.
What about others? 424 or 106 or any other answer is also there. Okay. Okay, let me run. How many are there?
Yeah, 106.
I told you, right? Sometimes like it's not like if 10 people are saying one answer and one is saying different answer, that person is wrong. It's not like that. Sometimes maybe right. So whatever you thought that the duplicate records won't be coming. Okay. Whenever we are doing any set operation apart from union all, you won't get duplicate records normally. Okay. So even if it is within the same table, doesn't matter. So you won't get. That's why you are getting 106 records.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, Pooja?
Can you repeat that once more?
Okay. So when you are doing a minus query, all the records, whatever is here, minus the record, whatever is in table 2, means second query. Okay. So ideally, as Asirva told initially, 424 records should come according to the definition what we saw here and according to the Venn diagram what we saw here. But that doesn't come. The reason behind it is in this table itself we have so many duplicates, like every record is again duplicated 3 times, means you are having the same record, 4 copies are there. Okay, so whenever you are doing any set operation apart from union all, if you have any duplicates, it won't keep the duplicates. It will give you only the unique value. Okay, so that's why when I'm doing minus means you will get 106 records only. You won't get 424 records. But if these 424 records all were unique, there are no duplicates, then for sure you will get 424 records. You wouldn't have been getting lesser. Okay.
Yeah.
Since there are no matching between this and this, again, for example, there are like 424 unique records here, and here 5 records. All these 5 records are there in this table also. Okay, then what will happen is, then you will get like that 419 records. Those records will get minused. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Ravi, is there minus all
No,
syntax is there? No, no.
no. Till now it is not there. If any new version of Oracle comes and someone discovers that, then it might be there. I know, you never know, but till now it is not there. We'll be using this operator only. Okay. See, if you want that minus all what you thought, right, that functionality, then you can do some other thing and you can get.
Yeah.
Yeah. For then you have to customize your query.
Yeah.
Yeah. So always you should remember, when you are working in a real-time environment, client can give you anything. Don't think like that, I have practiced this in training, or I have practiced in this in my previous company. So this kind of scenario, so I will get this only in real time. They can give you anything, any requirement. At that point of time, you have to do analysis and you have to do. But don't worry, like it won't be that much complicated. Okay. Even if it is like very much complicated and all, just apply pure basic knowledge. Okay. Go with the scratch, like small basic things. Try to understand what does minus do. Try to understand what does union does. Try to understand what does group by do and all. Okay, sometimes like query will be very big, sometimes maybe 7-8 lines also, but you are clubbing things one after other. You are writing subqueries after subqueries and all. So if you break that 8 lines code into smaller parts, it will be again 2 lines, 2 lines, 2 lines only. So you can understand like that. Okay. So while writing also, with experience you will get. Today only, if I tell you like write a scenario, write a subquery for it, like it will be having 4 subqueries within it. Means a main query, within it another query, again another query, another query. So that much complicated you might not be able to write now. Okay, and no one will ask also. Even in interviewer also, they won't ask that much complicated question. Okay, so that is the thing, like focus on the basics, you will surely understand everything. Okay.
The difference between the union and minus.
Sorry, difference between union and minus.
Minus.
So in union you will get whatever the records is in table A plus table B, only the duplicate records will be eliminated. Okay.
Okay.
In minus, you will be getting all the records in table A. If there is any any similar records in table B, only those records will be eliminated from the table A records, and you will get the output. That is the difference. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Another thing I will tell you, like whenever you are not able to understand anything, right? Take very simple examples. Like I told you initially, here 10 records are there. Okay. 10 records are there. Here 12 are there. So think like six records are like common between them. Okay. 6 records are common between them. So if I do a union means you will get 16 records. Why you will get 16 means 6 are common, one it should be 22, but one copy is eliminated, so 16 records. But when you do a minus, then you will get only 4 records, because here ideally maximum what you can get in a minus query is the table A, all the records. Okay, that can be the maximum.
Maximum,
Okay.
right?
So maximum is 10. But since 6 records are there already here, then you will be getting 4. Again, there is some exception case. We are assuming everything as a unique record. Like our case, 424 records were there, but we were getting only 106, though nothing is matching because there were duplicate. 318 records were duplicate. Okay, is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
And I will request you all to whatever queries, don't run the same thing. Take any 2 tables and take like 2 or 3 columns like this, having same data type, and run and check all the operators. Like syntax is very simple. Just you have to keep union all, intersect, minus, and practice it in your Oracle. For Ashirwad, I think it is not there. So you can check like online Oracle compiler, something like this. Many will be coming. So try in these things if you get. Okay, but don't rely on them because these things are not accurate things. Sometimes they give errors and all. So here it is not taking it, so it's asking to sign in. So see, this will work or not, I can't guarantee you. First, I think you should create the table there also. Create the table, then run this query. If it works, it's fine. Or else, like, not only creating the table, you have to insert the data also. And I will request you, as you all people got the link now, means I have shared, means he has shared the name. So go through those YouTube videos and ask any doubt if you have. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then if you don't have any doubts for today's class, then we can close it for today. Is there any doubts?
No.
No, sir.
Pooja
Sir.
and always remember, I mean, forget your names. Sriyanka.
Priyanka. No,
Yeah.
sir. I don't have time.
I'll do like this. I will remember Priyanka and add S instead of P. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
that will be easy. Because it's very uncommon name, so it's not very easy. It is Pooja, Nikita, and all is very easy to remember. Okay. Okay, then we have completed it. Next tomorrow is the most important topic, like Oracle joins. maximum of the interview questions will be asked in this topic only, whether you are a fresher or you're a senior resource, any for everyone. This is the very important topic. Okay, please don't miss tomorrow's class. We will, and this we won't be covering in one class. We will take 2 classes. One class I'll explain you completely, like the joins and all. In the next class we will be seeing many different scenario based interview questions. Okay,
Okay.
so for today, what is the interview question is, like they can ask you union all difference. Okay, they can ask you like how many types of set operators are there, like why do we use set operators, and what are the conditions for using any set operator. Okay, you should be able to answer it. Okay, these can be the interview questions. Okay, when you are giving Informatica interview, don't think that you will be getting only questions on Informatica. You will be tested on SQL. If your SQL is fine, automatically, see, a person whose Oracle SQL concepts are clear, right? You can teach Informatica easily, even if you don't know also. Okay, but if someone doesn't know SQL, it's very difficult to teach Informatica. So me as an interviewer, I will always see like basics of SQL is clear or not. Then only I'll jump into Oracle. So your Informatica. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then bye. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks. Bye.